Good day, everybody. Today I'm going to make a short video. I'm going to put my Matrix biofiltration product that I bought last week. I'm going to put it into my FX6 today. So in the next part of the video I'm going to open up my FX6 and show you how the Matrix is going to be put in. Okay, so I've already rinsed out the Matrix, and I've already loosened the top on my FX6. So I'm going to take it apart here. Here's the FX6. So I'm going to lift these baskets out. Okay, so in the next part of the video I'm going to be putting the Matrix into one of the baskets. Okay, so I've got one of the baskets out of the FX6. This is the center basket. I took the media out that I had in here because I want to put the Matrix in one of the baskets, so I'm going to put it in the middle one. I've already cleaned this out. Here's a look at what the media looks like. It's not the pond matrix, it's the regular matrix. The pet shop that I went to didn't have the pond matrix, so I'm going to use this stuff here. So I'm going to fill up this basket here. I've got to keep enough for my my other Fluval 306. So this basket's 3/4 full, which should be good. So in the next part of the video I'm going to put it back together. Okay, so I cleaned a couple of the sponges in the middle. Some of the small round sponges. I gave them a little bit of a cleaning with the aquarium water. The filters on the outside, I didn't touch them. So I'm going to put this back together. I'm putting my Matrix in the center basket. And the sponges go on the top, the round sponges, of course. The good part about the FX6 is there's sponges all the way around the outside. 2 sponges in each basket. I'll give you a look at the sponges. There's 2 of these in each one of the baskets. Plus you've got the round smaller ones in the center. So there's lots of great filtration in this. And with the Matrix that I'm adding, the Matrix, you never have to replace that. You can rinse it out if you want, but you never have to replace it. So I'm just going to put this back together. And these 2 little red handles on the side is how you lift this. I'm just going to drop it back down into the aquarium, into the unit here. There's only one way this can go back together. You can't make a mistake putting this together. And the 2 red handles just push back down. And now I'm ready to put the top back on. There's only one way this can go back together. It's got to hit the holes on the side here because there's a pipe. And there's 8 of these clamps on the outside. You just tighten them up. What I do is alternate the clamps as I tighten them up. I'll do the one on each side, and then I'll do the other opposite sides. Until I get them all nice and snug. That's just about it. This unit is pretty heavy if you don't drain the water out of it. I lifted it out of my cupboard, and it's pretty heavy unit with all the media and the water in it. So I'm just going to lift this back in. And hook up the hoses again to it. And just pop on the top of the unit. Just like that. And it's ready to plug in again. The FX6 has a very neat feature. It's self-priming. So when you first turn it on, it'll run for I think it's 1 minute or 2 minutes. It'll shut down for a couple of minutes, and then it'll come back on. It's self-priming, so it's very handy that way. So I've got my new media in there. It's called Matrix. It's supposed to be a very good product. It'll take probably a month or 2 to get working. So thanks for watching my video and learning a bit about the FX6 and the media. Bye for now.